Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use BigTime step by step. We'll cover time tracking, project budgeting, resource management, invoicing, and reporting so you can manage your projects more efficiently and stay on budget. Centralized project data. BigTime consolidates all project information into a single platform, ensuring that budgets, schedules, and project scopes are easily accessible. Its interactive Gantt charts provide a visual representation of project timelines and milestones, enabling teams to monitor progress and make informed decisions. Accurate budgeting and forecasting. With BigTime, setting up tasks and assigning budgets for hourly rates, fees, and expenses is straightforward. The platform's customizable dashboards offer real-time insights into project KPIs, allowing managers to track progress and adjust strategies proactively. Resource Management Excellence. BigTime's resource management tools provide a clear view of team workloads, helping identify overbook or available staff. The platform's drag-and-drop calendar simplifies workload planning, and real-time alerts notify managers of upcoming time-off or scheduling conflicts. Efficient time and expense tracking. Designed for accuracy and ease, BigTime's time and expense tracking features allows users to log hours and expenses efficiently. Customizable timesheets, flexible submission periods, and integration with accounting systems ensure that all project-related expenses are accurately captured and billed. Financial transparency. BigTime offers detailed insights into project cost, revenues, and profitability through its accrual-based accounting system. Features like VAT management, multi-currency reporting, and receipt attachment capabilities enhance financial tracking and reporting accuracy. Seamless integrations. Understanding the importance of a connected ecosystem, BigTime integrates effortlessly with various tools, including QuickBooks, Salesforce, and HubSpot. This ensures that businesses can maintain their existing workflows while enhancing functionality. User-friendly experience. BigTime is designed with the user in mind, offering intuitive interfaces and customizable features that cater to diverse business needs. Whether it is generating professional invoices, analyzing project data, or managing resources, BigTime simplifies complex processes, allowing teams to focus on what matters most. BigTime offers 4 pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Number 1. Essentials. At $20 per user per month, this plan includes time tracking, expense management, and project management features. Number 2. Advanced. Price at $35 per user per month. It encompasses all essentials features plus a client portal, multi-currency expenses, and custom reporting. Number 3. Premier. For $45 per user per month, this plan offers all advanced features along with project budgeting, multi-level approvals, and simple resource planning. Number 4. Foresight. Pricing is customized based on business requirements. This plan provides project profitability and utilization forecasts, plans versus actuals reporting, skills and demand-based planning, time off and holidays management, and integrates with time tracking and HRIS tools. Start a free trial. 1. Click the Start Free Trial button, typically located at the top right corner of the website. 2. Fill in the registration form with your name, email address, company name, and phone number. 3. Submit the form to create your account. No credit card information is required for the free trial. Purpose: experience BigTime features firsthand to assess their suitability for your project management needs. Before signing in, they need you to book a call for 20 minutes, so make sure to follow the steps that are shown to you in order to go through the dashboard. Set up your first project. 1. Navigate to the Projects tab. 2. Click Add New Project. 3. Fill in the project details. Project name. Enter a descriptive name for your project. Client name. Specify the client associated with the project. help.bigtime.net. Project details. Provide additional information such as start and end dates, project scope, and objectives. 4. Assign team members to the project by selecting their names from the team list. 5. Click Save to create the project. Add task and assign them. 1. Within your project dashboard, navigate to the Task tab. 2. Click Add New Task. 3. Enter task details. btexcelacom.com. Tasking. Describe the task. btexcela.com. Assign to. Select the team member responsible for the task. Due date. Set a deadline for task completion. BigTime software. Priority. Assign a priority level. Example, high, medium, low. Status. Define the current status. Example, not shared, in progress, completed. Or, click save to add the task. Track time and expenses. To log expenses, 1. Go to the expenses section under the time or expense tab. 2. Click add expense or new entry. 3. Choose the project and expense category, like travel, meals, materials, etc. 4. Enter the amount, date, and an optional description. 5. Attach receipts if needed. You can upload files or photos. 6. Click Save. Create and send invoices. 1. Go to the billing tab. 2. Select Create Invoice or use the invoicing tool in a project dashboard. 3. Choose the client and project you are invoicing. Or, select the time and expenses you want to include. 5. Customize the invoice layout with your company logo, payment terms, and notes. 6. Click Send Invoice to email directly from BigTime. Manage your team resource planning. 1. Go to the Resource Management or Staffing tab. 2. Use a calendar-style layout of team availability. 3. Use drag-and-drop tools to assign tasks or shift workloads. 4. See who's overbooked, available, or on time off. 5. You can also schedule future work based on team capacity. Use reports for insights. 1. Navigate to the Reports or Analytics tab. 2. Choose from templates like Time by Project, Expense Summary, Project Profitability, Utilization Rate. 3. Or create a custom report by selecting specific filters, time ranges, or users. 4. Export reports as PDF or Excel files, or schedule them for regular delivery. Integrate with other tools. 1. Go to Integrations in your account settings or main menu. 2. Connect with tools like QuickBooks for accounting, Salesforce for CRM, Google Calendar or Outlook. 3. Follow the prompts to log in and sync your accounts. Get help and support. Click on Help or question mark icon, usually top right corner. Access the Help Center with step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and facts. Use the chat support or submit a ticket if you need technical help. You can also schedule a call with BigTime support team or your account manager. The purpose of this is to ensure you get help whenever needed, whether it is troubleshooting, onboarding, or optimizing how you use the platform. Bonus tip: use the mobile app. BigTime also offers a mobile app for Android and iOS. You can log time, manage tasks, and check your schedule on the go. Perfect for remote work or traveling professionals. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use BigTime to track time, manage budgets, and allocate resources more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical project management, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.